Total value lock TVL on Baby Doge Swap surpasses 18 million in 4 days. We gotta talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. This is Baby Doge and this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Baby Doge Swap. Less than a week after its debut, Baby Doge Swap hits a new milestone. Now, according to data, the Decentralized exchange, the total value lock on Baby Doge Swap recently surpassed $18 million. At press time, Baby Doge Swap TVL is currently worth $18.28 million. Now, the development was also announced on Baby Doge Swap official Twitter account. We just passed 18 million in TVL, BabyDogeSwap.com live. Now, Baby Doge Swap is a decentralized exchange launched last week to increase project use case. Now, the DEX is built on the Binance Smart Chain, making it simple for users to perform token swap for all BSC-based tokens, including Binance, BNB, and project's native cryptocurrency, Baby Doge. This is big time news for Baby Doge holders. Now, the swap also offers yield farming on BUSD and USDT pairs, with users entitled to receive up to 6,000% APY rewards for providing liquidity. However, the APY rewards are expected to be reduced as more liquidity providers use the service. Now, just more is basically on demand. Now, the DEX was audited by the leading cryptocurrency security firm Circuit as part of efforts to keep users safe from malefactors. Now, the swap was developed to make token swap and yield farming to be cheap and fast, and the team ensured that the user could pay meager fees when using the platform. So, the big news from Baby Doge Swap, 18 million in just in 4 days of the total value lock. More great news coming down for Baby Doge Swap in the future. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video.